Hey, good afternoon, traders. End of the day here, and I want to show you something. Even when I feel I've become successful as a trader because I make money all the time. But sometimes I overthink the market. I'm not mentally sound, and it shook me out on this particular trade, Clorox. I had this on the watch list. Beautiful hourly squeeze. There's your 21-day. I mean, just perfect. I got into it yesterday. I bought the let's look here. Clorox 10, April 14th, 138 calls. I had them for I think 250, $3. I don't know because I bought it yesterday and I sold today. So only showing me my orders of today, right? And I started looking at this, and so this morning it started going down. I said, okay, well, I'm going to hold it. This will be my stop. Well, on a stop, you have to let the market shake out the people, the retail traders, the traders who are scared, which was me today. How you doing, right? And that was my stop. And look at this. And so I started reading news, and they gave it downgrades. I said, oh, Tim, just get out of it. And I wasn't oversized. I had 10, I think I was at about $3,000, all these good things. And, your target's the high, and then 127. So I had a game plan. I would have probably went here if I went that low. So let's see where that 127 is at. The point of this whole video here, I mean, I shake my head. I shake my head, fam. That was your last target. I would have made 3,000, $4,000 on that trade, but I wanted to show you what happened here. Then I also have this indicator from John Carter. It's called, I think, the quad pivots. I've made, I'm not trying to promote them. I don't get nothing off of what I see if they buy it, but I bought that, I think, for like $600. And I don't know the complications. Listen, there are lines on here, guys, and what I do is I like to see if they work. So I've been using them, and if I zoom in here, I mean, I bought the damn thing. You think I use it? You can see where it touched today. It's supposed to show kind of good support. I mean, this is support, and this is like really good support. This is resistance. This is really good resistance. So I'm not going to beat myself up because you know what? This is trading. This is what happens. Can I say that word shit? Shit happens, and it's okay. It's okay. But I wanted to show you. I'm not on the level maybe I would like to be, but I'm happy as a clam. Here, let's look at let's go some positivity here. So remember, 700 I told you a couple days ago was my pen on the fly, and I have a 50-point Y, so 650, 750. So I'm making money on the shop. Okay, so let's not go beat myself up too bad. I have Humana. We talked about that. Now, yesterday I was up on the trade, really, really good. It touched the 200. I didn't add to it because I was worried about Clorox. Sometimes mentally you're just not prepared, and that's okay. But actually taking responsibility, saying you're not ready, getting out of the trade, even if you have to stop out of everything, whatever you got to do to clear your head is the goal. So that one I'm in. I like that. I still have petroleum here, OXY. I still like that. Still, and once again, if you go here to the daily charts, very good setup, and no, I'm not going to get out of that. Same thing with Humana. We'll look at the daily setup. So it's really just, it's not like it's being sold off. And then once again, if I give, that line, I haven't used it as probably as much as I should. You have earnings coming up. I'm in the spread. I'm up on the spread because I bought it down here between the 10 and 21. So, we're looking for the get up. Like I said, I'm looking for the close the gap. I'm going to continue to hold the spread. I am up on the spread, so that's good. Let's look at other ones. LMT, we talked about this one. This bounced right off the 21 today for you. If you weren't in it, it gave you a perfect entry because now you can use that entry as your stop. I think that's wonderful. Momentum's in our favor. That looks good. What else do we have? What else do we have? I'm watching Tesla, and I'll show you why, but let's see what else I have. So I have, this gave you a really good entry on that 21 day. We have a flag forming here. Very high short interest, all-time high. I do like that. That's a great combination for a short squeeze. Will it happen? I don't know. Okay, so what you're supposed to do, and they're buying it up. But okay, so on the flag, do this. Take me to the ocean. So, oh, no, not that. So you're supposed to go like from the pole. You do this, and then you copy it, duplicate, and it's from the top of the flag, and then roughly your target. It might be the bottom of the flag, top. Go look it up. I have the book here somewhere. I'm really not going to wait till the top of the flag. Let's be honest. I'm not greedy. Remember Scarface. Don't get high in your own supply. What's the other one? Don't get high in your own supply. And it's the fattest pigs that get slaughtered first. But that's not what he told. That's not what he told Tony. So I'll have to look that one up too. Okay, what else we have? Take me to the ocean. Oh, they're buying it. That's a little above 900 tick. I think that's all I have for you. Oh, Sage. Okay, one more. And I still like Sage. Okay, so I have my alert. Like, hey, if we get down here, let me know. The hourly squeeze looks great. Earnings here. The RSI is a little bit weaker, but I always look at the. I don't look at the RSI as much unless I'm looking for a top. Like, okay, let's just look over here. You see this, okay, and then you see. Look at it above it, and roughly here. So to me, that's a divergence, and I like that. I love when we talk about. I love when it breaks out above resistance, just taking everybody out, and then it's like, yeah, I was going to do this anyways, but I just don't want you to be a part of the party. It's like, come on, man, come on, man. So, all right, well, that's all I have for you, fam. Short video, plenty of information. Oh, did I say Tesla? Let's poke our head over there. Let's do a little side poke. Yes, Tesla is extended. Yes, it's out of control. I get it. Tesla's its own little beast. A little head and shoulders pattern here, right? You guys look at. Is it the perfect one? I don't know. I'm sure somebody knows more than I do, and they'll start complaining about it. Well, that's a middle finger. I'm sorry about that. But this line has been resistance. Been pretty good. I wanted to find another one, but yeah, right there. Okay. Maybe in here and here, there before another break. So yeah, it's a good level. It's a good level. 1,118. you know, roughly. Now, if we go down to the smaller time frame here real quick, it's Friday, it's happy hour. I'm gonna go have a couple of drinks. I've already started, you probably can tell. Now, Friday at the end of the day, and I missed it. It's a reason I'm at the office until 4 o'clock now. And I'll show you another one I missed. You know, it's way extended, no way. Look at the squeeze. Look at the buy zone. Friday at the end of the day, yes, Monday split, I get all that, but this, follow this pattern and you're gonna catch moves like this. And yeah, we kind of have a squeeze. This is definitely not as pretty as this one, but I'm watching it. I'm watching it, see if we can get some momentum shifting over in this direction, break this high, and then we'll look for our next targets. Now, I'm not in it, and I'm not going to get into it until, but you know, 1200 the next target. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, and that's what I was going to say. GameStop. You want to see something? Now, what time frame? Now, I have to figure out what time frame. I think it was a lower time frame. And I'm over there drinking at happy hour, enjoying life with the wifey. Yep. Is this Friday? Yes, it is. Look at this. So let's go scoot back out one time, and you guys, I'll let you guys go enjoy your Friday. Right here. Right here. And this green line's been here for a while. And it's already too late Friday to go over it. But if, no, I'm not going to go over it. Anyways, got to move up. It hits this. This line did not start here. It's way back here. You can go check out like a longer daily chart. Pulls back, uptrend between the 10 and 21, and then it just breaks out. The chart is so powerful, guys. Follow the chart. Now, to me, we're getting like a topping pattern here. And look at the RSI. And granted, it didn't fall down. You know, this is only a 15-minute chart. I'm not looking for it to break all the way back to the mean. I like to follow the daily chart for that. But it gave you, hey, there's your topping chart. You know, weak RSI. It did make its move down, and then it was like, yeah, I'm not done with you yet. So, all right, fam. I hope everybody has a beautiful day. Short video. And I'll catch you at the next one.